We got a great video for you today on how to have fun camping. That's right, folks. We've got the 2024 Pleasureway Plateau TS, the ultimate luxury in Class B camper vans. If you haven't, definitely check out our Facebook and Instagram page. Check out our website, howtohavefuncamping.com. You're going to love this channel. It's totally focused on campground reviews, RV reviews. Obviously, you probably know us from our sister channel, How to Have Fun Outdoors. That channel's got over 7 million views in the last 2 years, but this one is focused in on just the RV market and camping. So let's talk about this beautiful Plateau. This thing is gorgeous. It comes from Pleasureway. The length on it is 23 feet for the most part. Here's a view of it from the back and the side. It is one gorgeous unit, and overall, this thing is beautiful. That's right, folks. Here's the floor plan with the electric sofa in the back that turns into the bed. You got the lagoon table, beautiful galley. Here's some more pictures of the inside on this thing. But the highlight is this private wet bath. I mean, it is gorgeous with the stainless steel sink. The galley design is gorgeous. You got the full-size refrigerator in there. Take a look at that freezer. Full-size wardrobe. That's so hard to find in a Class B. But you got that 5+5+5 triple warranty. The side door roll-up screen, the rear door roll-up screen, the Go Power solar package, the power awning with that wind protect, exterior shower, fiberglass running boards, exterior painting plastic moldings, those beautiful Alcoa Dura-Bright aluminum wheels, and how about that quick connect on the LP. You can get this thing in a silver metallic or a gray white on the Mercedes chassis, the champagne or the white on that, cashmere versus flint on the upholstery, and you've got a bunch of different options here with the solar 300 watt, the aluminum wheels like we talked about, the rear roll-up screen, and all kinds of other cool gadgets. So overall, it's a diesel, as you guys know, 22 feet 9 inches, almost 23, like I said. The height 9'10" on that, so lots of height. Exterior width is great. Seat belts 4 on this, so pretty nice. So let's go ahead and get started and show you this unit. You're going to absolutely love it. If you get a chance, comment down below. What do you think of the unit? Give us a like on the video so we can get it out to everyone. If you get a chance, definitely subscribe to our channel. Like I said, all kinds of campground reviews, RV reviews. But today we're going to talk about this big bad boy at $182,000. That's right, folks. Love our Class Bs. This one, are you ready, folks? The Plateau TS on. That's right, the Mercedes-Benz chassis. This is quite the price for this Plateau TS. That's right, show, no hidden fees, $182, $282. Pretty sweet deal. And we're going to take a look at this thing. This is pretty nice overall for 2024 with the Pleasureway. That's right, folks. They've now added the Truma Venta ECO air conditioning, upgraded to the 10-inch touchscreens. Those things are amazing. All the USB-C charging outlets, 600 amp hours of lithium. They've stepped it up. The Xantrax 3,000 watt TrueSine wave inverter. That's the right one. And a 5-year Mercedes-Benz warranty on this thing. Pretty cool. This is the Pleasureway 3500XD Mercedes setup. No question about it. We got 110 outlets on the back. We're going to jump inside though. Dualies on there, Alcoa rims, aluminum, and let's go take a look at this thing. First of all, love the design where you can pass out the food from the kitchen to the family on the picnic table. Nice step up here, plenty of room to get in. Zip up screen here so you don't have to worry about that thing breaking down. And take a look right off the bat. There it is, folks. That's a 10-inch screen. It is a monster. I'm not going to have a hard time pressing that one. Fire extinguisher, reverse buckets, and here you go. Here is that Mercedes chassis that everyone loves so much with all the safety features. Really nice leather. Take a look at there. Sweet setup and a little bit of storage up on the top. Plenty of room here, and as you can see, take a look at this bathroom. We're going to show that to you in a minute. All matching colors, really slick. Alice loves this one because it reminds her of an Italian design, kind of like that Wiggum kind of look. And overall, really nice counter space. But look how much space you got. This thing is huge for a Class B. Giant galley. That's right, folks. Look at the size of the sink on that thing. Pretty absolutely amazing. Chrome faucet with the pull down, really, really nice. But let's go ahead and take, I like the latch here. This is a really nice feature so it doesn't bounce around when you're on the road. And there you go, look at that kitchen. I mean, it is absolutely awesome. No question about it. Shower, big toilet, nice room to hang your towels, everything else. And then boom, look at, you even have under cabinet space here below the sink. It's like a regular camper almost, with a 110 GFI outlet there. Pretty slick overall. But we're not done. Take a look at here, 110, nice if you want to put another induction stovetop there. Plenty of storage here. Again, you pop that out. Take a look, folks, a lot in there, no question. Same story here as we pop that out. And you can see these things, lots of room once again. Really, really nice. And then how about this? You're traveling, you're on business, you need to place to store all your suits, dresses, clothes, and there it is with your Lagoon table setup, storage, really nice. Or you can put in these if you want to add shelves for more clothing. So really, really cool setup. Again, I love the split on this. You've got the freezer, the refrigerator, and you also have the induction, or not the induction, but the actual convection microwave. So if you want to do a pizza, bake something, that's really nice. You may want to pause the video here for 1 second to look at these features and benefits. But overall, a really nice unit from Pleasureway. I think for the price on a Mercedes chassis, this might be one of the nicest ones on the market for sure. You got the Coachman Galleria, you've got a couple others, but this is really nice. Take a look at the bench seat. There's where your Lagoon table goes. Your fuse box, more 110s there. GFI, another big deal here. Sound bar, television, another big 10-inch screen. Big AC, they've got that Trumo AC going. It is huge. Look at this beautiful couch on the back. You can sit back here and relax. They've got the nice seat belts, and overall you've got the LED lighting all the way through the unit. They have done a great job. Another 110 right there, folks. If you haven't, definitely subscribe to our channel, How to Have Fun Outdoors. We do all kinds of Class B videos. We run around the country in a Class B and have so much fun going all kinds of different locations. We do campground reviews. We do state parks, national parks, all kinds of Class B reviews. We're not tied to any one manufacturer. We have some of our favorites, but we film them all, folks, and Pleasureway has done a great job with this. Let's walk around a little bit, and as you can see, you've got really nice Alcoa rims like we talked about. Really nice front fascia on this Mercedes. And then if we swing around the back, take a look at the storage setup, shower, utility center, Truma vent, and you've got the Pleasureway right there. So overall, nice, beautiful unit, beautiful colors. We like this one a lot. We're here at the Hershey show. Hopefully you guys like this too. Comment down below. Tell us what you think of this brand new 2024 Plateau TS. Tell us what you think of this price on that Mercedes 182. This particular unit is gorgeous, and thanks so much for watching How to Have Fun Camping. That's right, folks. Comment down below. Let us know what you think, and please hit that like button so we can get this video out to everyone. Thanks again for watching our channel.